Number 1. Own your mornings. If the first thing you do when you wake up is grab your phone, scroll Instagram, and check emails, you've already handed control of your day to everyone else. I used to do it. I'd open my phone, see a text from my boss, a bill reminder, some random news about something I can't control, and suddenly I'm stressed before I've even brushed my teeth. When you own your mornings, you tell life, I'm in charge here. Spend that first hour doing something that makes you stronger. Read, journal, work out, plan. Number 2. Set brutal boundaries. Most people aren't exhausted because they do too much. They're exhausted because they say yes to the wrong things. I used to agree to every invite, every favor, can you just help me with this real quick? And then wonder why I had no time for my own goals. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Boundaries aren't selfish. They're survival. Because every time you say yes to the wrong thing, you're saying no to the life you want. Number 3. Get financially unchained. Money isn't everything, but being broke controls every decision you make. I stayed in a toxic job for years just because I was scared of missing a paycheck. That's not living. That's surviving. Learn a skill. Start a side hustle. Invest in yourself. Options mean freedom, and freedom means control. Number 4. Control your inputs. Everything you consume, from TikTok videos to conversations, programs your brain. I used to hang around people who complained all day, watch other people's wins, and then wonder why I felt stuck. When I cut out negativity, unfollowing drama accounts, limiting time with energy vampires, surrounding myself with builders, my mindset changed without me even trying. Number 5. Move daily. Moving your body changes your brain. There were days I felt so stuck I could barely think, until I went for a run or hit the gym. Suddenly, I had ideas, energy, and confidence again. Physical discipline bleeds into mental discipline. If you can push through one more rep, you can push through one more challenge in life too. These 5 things aren't quick hacks. They're daily choices. Stack them for months, and you'll wake up realizing you're not reacting to life anymore. You're directing it, because either you hold the leash or life does.